Pittsburgh Steelers quarterback Dwayne Haskins dies in South Florida early Saturday morning. Haskins, who was a first-round draft pick out of Ohio State in 2019, was on his way back from training with teammates in Fort Lauderdale. That's when his car ran out of gas and he tried crossing the highway on foot. He was struck by a dump truck and pronounced dead at the scene. Haskins was just 24 years old. Turning our attention to the coronavirus, racism is a serious public health threat. That's what the CDC director said 1 year ago.
And the new report detailing the way COVID-19 has impacted the Black community makes it clear the crisis is not over. A new report from the Black Coalition Against COVID-19 details the disproportionate impact the virus has had on Black Americans, something we have watched play out since the early stages of the pandemic.
The chronic burden of medical ills is likely to make people of color, especially, less resilient to the ravages of COVID-19.
The populations who are most at risk, that's our Latino and African American communities.
Life-saving vaccines that need to be equitably distributed across our country.
And by April 2021, the head of the CDC said the pandemic illuminated inequities of another pandemic, racism. And this new report shows COVID-19 is still disproportionately affecting Black communities. Among its findings, the report says Black Americans recently experienced the highest rate of hospitalization for any racial and ethnic group, and the risk of dying from the virus is nearly twice as high compared to white people, taking a toll on Black families between April 2020 and June of 2021. 1 of 310 Black children lost a parent or caregiver compared to 1 in 738 white children. For experts and advocates alike, it's a call to action